Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix 404 page not found error on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. Fixing a 404 page not found error in Shopify involves in identifying the broken or missing pages and ensuring that customers are directed to the correct pages. So first of all, you need to identify the source of the error. First step is identifying where the error is coming from. So it could be deleted or unpublished pages, changed URLs, or broken links in menus, pages, or external sources. You can identify 404 errors using tools like Google Search Console. Under the coverage section, you can see the 404 errors Google has indexed, also broken links checkers, and Shopify Analytics. Set up URL redirects for changed or deleted pages. When a product page or collection is removed or its URL is changed, users might still to try access it using the old link, causing a 404 error. Setting up URL redirects ensure that they are sent to the correct page. So the steps in order to set it up: in your Shopify admin, go to Online Store and then Navigation. Scroll to the URL redirect section and click on Create URL Redirect. In the redirect from field, enter the old URL that is causing the 404 error. In the redirect to field, enter the new correct URL and click on Save. Fix broken links in your store. In the 404 error, or if it's caused by broken links in your store's navigation, products page, or other areas, update them with the correct URLs. How to fix it? For navigation menus, go to Shopify Admin, Online Store, and Navigation. Review the links in the main menu, footer menu, or custom menus, and update any broken links with the correct URLs. For the product pages and the content, check your product's description, blog posts, and other content for broken links. Update the links to points to activate pages. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.